Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm going to do a second video, one after the other. So I have two exciting unboxings today. One of them is an unbagging, actually, and the other one is an unboxing. I found, I guess I would call it my unicorn bag. I've always wanted this bag. I've had it before, and I don't think any of my tribe sisters or my friends here on YouTube, a part of the handbagger community, have this bag that I know of. Maybe says what, but I have not seen any of you guys purchase this bag before. Like I said, I've had it before in the Tiverton print. It's a Dooney and Bourke bag, and I found it at Marshall's. So I was so excited because where I live, we barely get any Dooney bags at all. I know a lot of you guys do, some of you guys don't at your Marshalls and TJ Maxx, but I barely get any. And I've been eyeing this bag for a while. I wanted it in the red print, but I just settled for second best. But I gotta show you, this is a unique bag. Not everybody can carry this, but I know I can, at least some of the time, maybe half the time. So let's get to it. I could not believe I found this. Okay, this is the Dooney and Bourke Tiverton. Here, let me adjust my camera. Crossbody. So yeah, it's a little uncentered, but anyways, this is it. So like I said, it's the Tiverton print. No, not Tiverton. Tartan. It's made out of tartan plaid. It's kind of like a wool, almost like a wool texture mixed with cotton. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. Yeah, so this is all fabric, and yeah, it feels like wool when you touch it. And it has the Saffiano trim. Okay. This is the regular size. It's not the large. I was hoping for large, but that's okay. It's about, I don't know, 11 inches in height, maybe 7 or 8 in length. But let's just show you. I want to show you something here. They zip all the way down to the sides like the zip, which is cute. Looks like we have the original packaging. We do. That is good. Let me take all of it out so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Alright. This is pretty cool. Alright, I've unzipped it all the way. Can you see that? You have a center divider. I have not seen another Dooney bag yet that has a center divider. So this is your first thing you could put stuff in. Not very wide, but you could put, I don't know, maybe a coin case in there. Yeah, so what you have is the regular Dooney setup, zip pocket in the back, slip pocket in the front, and actually you just have one slip right here. So here it is. You can kind of see. I can put my hand, it fits my hand and part of my wrist in there. This is a small bag. I do not recommend this to anybody who carries like medium to large bags. But you know why I like this bag? It is cute and dainty. I have carried it before, like I said. The only way I can is if I carry a small wallet about this size or a card case. This is great for on the go and hiking. But look at this. These straps are in the back. Oh, also you have the zip pocket here. Take that off. One zip pocket there. So you could possibly fit a cell phone. I'm not quite sure to fit, but it is there. But look, the straps are on the back, so it's really comfortable carry. I mean, this is comfortable. No feet on the bottom, that's okay. I thought I could use this around Christmas time as well, primarily, but I paid $79.99 for it. Is regularly around $200, or maybe, yeah, it's maybe probably $208 or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but this is the regular size. They also come in large at QVC, so if you shop QVC.com you can find this exact bag, but I got it for cheaper. So there's that. That was pretty cool. Now let's get to the unboxing. This is from Amazon. I ordered a few random things, and this is pretty exciting. I have not seen any of my tribe sisters use these, but I ordered a bunch of random stuff for bag accessories. So let's get to the first item. I may have to end up doing 2 videos here in a second, I'm not sure, but here it is. So this is the theme we're going with here. This is cute. It does need to be steamed a little bit, but you get the idea. It's a little tassel, faux leather tassel, pink. And it's got the cutest bow with like ropes and stuff and wheels. That is so cute. And just a little clip on there. So we got that. Now, this is what I was excited about. This was only maybe about 12 bucks, maybe 13, 14. But look at this. This is a little baggie here. Ooh, it's hard to get out. Ugh. But it comes with about, I don't know, 15 or 12 or 15 of these. Open it up. And there's a lot in here, guys. It's fun. Now, they're calling this, it can be used for a headscarf, but it is primarily for bags. So look at that print. What you do is you tie it just like this, you guys. This little bow here, you're going to tie into a bow onto any bag. I don't have a good example with me, like my satchel, but that would be so cute. And I saw a lady use this, person who reviewed this product online, and she put it on her Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and it looked gorgeous on the Neverfull. So here it is, a little bow. It's got little wheels on it. And then you get this color. So like that. It is so cute. That's pink. Look at this one. Look at that. That is cute. More little ropes, nautical theme kind of in a way. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and then you have a red. This could go great with any Dooney and Bourke Florentine bag. Maybe the Fielding. I think that would go pretty good with that. That's cute. Oh, there's so many in here. Let's see if I can take them all out. Look at this. Look how many. Ooh, a pink one. That is going to look great. Oop, that's 2 of them. Nope, that's just one. But look at that. These, you guys, these really do dress up bags. Like I said, I've seen the example online. But I can do an example in a separate video for you guys. So there's those. I've been wanting one of these because when I carry heavy bags or a lot of stuff in my bags, these straps on the Dooney & Bourke bags hurt my shoulders. So I got one of these. And I chose the one with the best print that might go with my stuff. So it velcros here. You put your strap inside here. Velcro it shut. And there you go. And I really like the print, so that should go with that way. Because, you know, certain things, they hurt my shoulders with so much to carry. So next item. Oh boy. Little tiger. So I found this little charm. I thought it was just so cute. It's a little tiger. Like I said, you can find them on Amazon. I forget what the seller's name is, but you just type in cute charms. That's how I found it. Its little feet move. Its feet and its tail move. It's a little tiger. I know that's like really hard to see. Sorry. There's that. I have one more item. Whoops. You guys have seen these before. I had to get one in another color. Ooh, that is cute. Okay, it's the little fox thing. You guys have seen these around, right? This is in the pink. And little fur. And it's got little hearts on the back, kind of there. Yeah, my camera doesn't focus well, but it is really glittery. It may be Swarovski crystals. I think that's like a step below it, but I think they are. That would be perfect with my Greta Hart's leisure shopper. Perfect with that bag. So yeah, that was my unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of my purchases. Like I said, I'm going to show you an example in a separate video of how you can accessorize your purses in really cute ways. If that's your style, I know it's mine. I'm going to try it out more and see how I really like it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it. So Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya!